Chief umurebe wa Rubirizi New Center kandi kwakira webare kubano gino misa no kubona tukuratira amukutu gwetu ogwa Rubirizi New Center a YouTube subscribing liking obasokona mama makuru mingi abagoro akuba utari kumanya onakurera izoba na basakuretera makuru mingi karaga makuru ninjiranga simukwane gatogiso nakurera izoba government obiro bwingi nagezo kubane promotinga ebyo bwegese omuyihanga litiri ya Uganda bitu amasomero mingi agayo agakubaga ryo mbyaro tekukira kwane gafa munonga twaza kwetegereza hanuya ndahano omu ayisomero lya Katunguru City School ni somero eri omuri Queen Elizabeth National Park echo busasi twasanga ngo abana bisomero ni bana bazana na Enyamishwa kandi kiri echo burabe esa yona inzozo embogo Uganda ko emporogoma ne basa kutwara amagaraga abana ababona abarahanuya ekikwebuzibwa waza kureba isomero eri taruho wade na fence ninga sikuteko singenge ekwasa kutangireza Nyamishwa kwasa kwaniziza hanuya aho ncwanchoreka ngo amagaraga abantu garunga genda omiso ntwebuza abo wachi government itakufe kubane famu nonga amasomero agari mu byaro onakurera izoba twinaho abakura akachiko mu parliament ba member of parliament okurebeka ngo babasa kubona bagenda omiso atukwatirine na okukebera ntwenda kugambona na omwana omwe ningasi akusomera isomereri abasa kutugambira challenges izo kwano bafanamu ndikira Ramazan takarugaho yes ntwenda kubuzaho omweji abasa kutugambira bimwe challenge izo kutunga hanuya ayisomereri twakwakira
my name is Ronas, head boy of Katunguru City Secondary School. We face some challenges whereby we are unable to make some extension then which limits our performance to compete with the worldwide schools. Sometimes animals always attack us during some time when we feed on on bananas, then the other leftovers some animals attack us, then we are unable to feed on that stuffs of food. And another challenge we face, like we have sometimes during our preps, when you are conducting our preps, we see some animals in the compound, then that one our teachers they take a step and tell us that should go and sleep, which also affect our performance. Another challenge we have no face. In that Nakan there is some elephant which come to our school and destroy our trees. When we have no shade where we can even read our books and even where we can't get fresh air. And another challenge we have we have insufficient buildings. We have no buildings where we can and even conduct our preps, and even laboratory we don't have, and even you are seeing our compound we have faced a lot of sunshine. We have no green cover that we have that we can, and even we can stay down and we do what due to the animals coming in our school and they feed on the vegetation that is existing in our school. In our girls wing, they face a challenge of at night when they are sleeping, some animals entering in their strings. Because we boys we are safe, we can guard ourselves. But our girls, the school engage many security guards to make sure that our girls are protected, which encourage the economy of our school.
For me, I'm Nashik Jahaisa, the head girl of Katunguru City School. We have many problems we are facing. For example, the dormitory you have captured it, you see, it is small, we are congested there, and we are many girls. Girls, we need to have a good health, and the latrines are also few. The laboratories, we face many problems. There are only 2 doors which we have, and we can easily get some diseases such as cholera, diarrhea, syphilis, and many others. So what we need for us, we need the dormitory to be enlarged, and some other latrines should be constructed. And for the security, you see we are in the middle of the Queen Elizabeth National Park. We also fear, but we have to cope up with the environment here. But we need a fence so that we can live safely in this environment. And another thing I would like to talk about is our teachers do face a lot of problems. For example, when they are coming to wake us up for winter, they don't have their staff quarters near us, and at night the animals are walking from here and there. They are looking for what to eat, and so what we need, maybe the staff quarters of our teachers should be extended this side.
Twesije John Ntamuhira, member wa parliament of Nyaruguru County, omulirisha zetu ya Rubirizi. Atawundi kugambira turi mu field ngakakiko ka education. Tukore cyo kweta oversight role, oversight visits. Tugezeho kureba esente zitwahire ministry ngakakiko zikakoresa mikubanza zikora abo kuba tukubana reke ryaha wije of course ntwere n'inchimanya ishomero rya gati ya park enshoro kuzukanye cyoro zitanaga kwesha nzomo icyukanga tuma kuba twine offense eyetorero ishomero ecya kabiri bangira ngo abana b'ingine ba day scholars ngo mwe n'abargo wire bugenzere ekiriske aba bana bito so ni ntekateka ngo ashimukwa yembe cyoro dormitories z'abishi n'abasigaze kandi mucumaji okunkunda ebyemizano ko ngataro cya icyo mpira ate bayina mamorana mu understanding na primary school here ruguru so ate tukeza kugeza ku finding out one no kureba obuto atandika ishomero yabende tandika center ba konzo mbeka seed school yone ehwire ningane bicweka kuyabe babahire sente buke owe mukire bizima bisate bindu kureba aha n'ikindi cykwetagisa so ntwesiga administration na district mbaza kutwa information okuranga twabasa kuyambisha merweri so nyo kinza gukora nka member parliament no kuranga report yiturakore yabasa kuyaye ikintu amazima kugari esente zazirinke ekirungi turi umbiro bwo budgeting egeshaha ntiza kunanka kuranga twabasa kongera mu izinde sente tukwataga na Ministry of Education kuranga ishumire geshinjori akasenta kubatunga ko kutambara wale bokwari ono mu office tar muna furniture nazo mu office ya master nazo mu office ya deputy ikintu cya n'ikindi kintu cyitakwasa kwetegereza abana bakunabera ibintu birije nkani ntekateka ngo ntuza kutunga solution so njinso ngaba kiti mu field kureba ibintu sentence tukuteka yo o ministries nizikora zazitakora nikizubuki nizimara zazitakumara twabayamba batanka parliament kuranga ministry of kutunga sentence kumara kuranga amashomero kaga gakora kandi amashomero agaragati mu Uganda ni mingi agaragati so ntenda process ya government iriyo negora kugira ngo sub county tungishomero at least batunge basic infrastructure kuranga abana bitu batungo kushomera batungo kubyama bazo mu environment ekira namunonge kintu cya package akoze inyumisusu futaho munyecuro abana bambagera ngo hariya leopard niyo engwe ekakwata embuzi yagitwara mu ihango ryatwo shikenge kwakwata nko mwana so nizo challenges zimwe ezitukwenda tuyambe ho ministry kuranga baza addressing so nyonka mba parliament nzavugizo mno kwatansa na district kuranga ibintu byakoro konka
ngaba kaba parliament okonyamira ngaba kaba parliament okubanti abana bafe bali exposed ku wildlife mu ngeri fana bweti nti ensolo ezo mu nsiko zisala ne ziyingira mu somero ngabwe zaagala abana ne bakeera ne bayingira mu bibiina ne tubasubira okubanti basoma bulungi tumanyi nti nature etulagira okubanti tulina omukwano nayo nga tulina omukwano ne obulamu obwo mu nsiko naye ate tebusobola kubanga butusemberedde mu ngeri efana bweti ewaka ne bwebambwa nga yawaka toyinza kugireka ebere nga yetaayaya mu baana era n'abantu abakuuma embwa waka bazisiba so tulowooza nti gavumenti yeetaaga okuteekawo bbugwe naye ne wildlife authority yeetaaga okuba nti mu kifo ekifaananako bwe kiti awateekeddwa essomero weerowooza okuteeka offices zaayo oba centers ez'enjawulo ezisobola okuba nga zikontrolinga obulamu bw'abantu abasemberedde ennyo ensolo obusomero tugawagira okusobola okuba nti gasobola okubeera mu mbeera bweti kubanga ne community settlements gyeziri naye wateeka okubaawo measures ezitegeerekeka okukuuma obulamu bw'abantu abasemberedde obulamu bw'ensolo enkambwe mu mbeera efaana bweti
okweraliikirira nkwine habwokuba one ezina enyamishwa nzibasa kuraka ku kwerinda kyonka engwe ine kwerinda kwayo kugumire ninkengwe kyonka ninkyahangwe kine emondo emondo harimu emondo harimu engo na wakora fensi engo nebasa kukora kikutimba nebase kufutaza abana so nkimanyisa ngu aho bashimikwa bashomera bamba kora plan y'abana kusoma dining yabo na halls zo kushomeramu zibenzi kikana kandi inyuma yaho bateho urugo habeho n'amasanyarazi go kubasa kuwezaje aga umeme na sora kugira ngo sora ya umeme yaragaho habeho sora nuko tubase kubasa kulinda abana abakuturuga umwanya oguri ompaka
kintu cyabanza kunzo umutima nateka ngo nabasa kubaro bitaragenzerege umukorisho mereryo akaba bakora ubuzimbo burya burukazimbe kugira background yanjye ya engineering tinkomye ngo kamara $3 obise obwiro obwire akubati kamaze bonze y'imyaka 5 obwiro batiko shomerwe ni tekateka ngo sente zira kimbeza zigazita ku $30 n'ubuzimbo bushatu so ni tekateka ngo nabasa kuba ine kitaragenzereje konka stilo tuza kucitunga umurupose zirageta nitukiza kurondereza
umurebi ningira ngo insonga z'abana basokwana bazigambaho wasokwana zorukiriza hamwe na naba MP ibana bageze kubana bagamba cikwatirine na insonga eji na nibakuza kubana bakora kuko kikwebuzibo amasomero ga government yachikureka agata kugenda mu miso na okuteka byombo kebibonire urya ngo niki okusingira kimwe amasomero agarombi yaro amasomero nkererya Katunguru City School eri mu Queen Elizabeth National Park ndichira Ramazani akameranye no Eric